If you're a fan of sticky rice, you'll be sure to enjoy my sticky rice stuffed Japanese pumpkin recipe. It is savory, hearty, creamy, and sweet all in one bite. Japanese pumpkin, also known as Kabocha squash. It has a very tough skin, so it's very hard to cut. Today, I'd like to also share with you a trick so we can all easily cut the pumpkin. Rinse the sticky rice. And soak it in water for 2 hours. Drain. Rinse the dry shrimp. And soak it in water for 1 hour. Drain. To soften the tough skin of Japanese pumpkin, in a large steamer over medium heat, bring water to a boil. Place the pumpkin inside. Cover the lid and steam for 10 minutes. Alternatively, you could also place the Japanese pumpkin in an oven and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 191 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. After the skin has softened up, use a knife to cut off the top. Remove the seed and set aside. To make the sauce, mix in the soy sauce, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, white pepper, and water. Whisk. In a pan over medium-low heat, add the avocado oil. You can also use other types of cooking oil. Shallot, Chinese sausage, dry shrimp, and shiitake mushrooms. Stir fry until aromatic for about 1 minute. Add the sticky rice and stir fry for about 1 minute. Then pour in the sauce. Cover the lid and cook for another 15 minutes. Stuff the filling inside the Japanese pumpkin. Lightly brush a layer of avocado oil all over the pumpkin. The oil will protect the skin during steaming, so it will continue to have a shiny surface. In the steamer over medium heat, bring water to a boil. Transfer the stuffed Japanese pumpkin inside. Cover the lid and steam until completely cooked through, about 30 minutes. This is one of my favorite recipes. It is so delicious. You get everything in one bite. It is savory, it is delicious, it is creamy, it is sweet. Oh, it's just so good. I hope that everyone enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like. And I will see you again soon. Bye!